How to use WhatsApp in dark mode. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in WhatsApp. It's easier on the eyes and looks super sleek. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner if you are on Android, then tap on settings. If you are using an iPhone, tap the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on chats from settings menu. Now if you are on Android, tap theme and select dark. On iPhone, tap appearance and then choose dark mode. You can also select system default, which means WhatsApp will follow the phone's overall light or dark mode settings. And that's it. This is how you switch WhatsApp to dark mode. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.